Hello, this is JSBS at Stone Fair. First, let us show how we installed our most complex large-colored marble fireplace with bare hands. The length of this fireplace is 180 cm. The top cover and middle floor parts are very heavy. It took a total of 5 people to put the heaviest part up and install it. The process is very difficult. Here we will show you all the amazing exhibits at this fair, including fireplaces, sculptures, small houses, and so on. This is the wonderful fireplace from white marble, with beautiful flowers and grapes. This is an elegant fireplace. This is a small fireplace made of Turkish white sandstone. This design is very nice. The carving is simple and beautiful. Finally, we really want to thank everyone who came to our booth. You are so lovely and witness the beauty of our carvings with your own eyes. See you all in 2025.